activity is going to be about sorting bugs, different sizes, colors, and shapes, which I've linked it to the story called What the Ladybird Heard. Now this story is about a little bug who can hear and see everything but can't speak. Okay, so the aim of this activity is how things such as building, plants, insects and animals and people look the same and how they look different. What you will need for this activity is different kind of mini beasts, just the way I have here. Okay, glue, because we'll be doing some sticking. Markers, green, blue, yellow and black. And if you don't have those, you could use crayons, it will do the job. Okay, I have some magnifying glass, and these are for like looking very close to see whether the bugs have wings, can they fly, or if they don't have wings. So we're going to be looking very closely. We have some safety scissors for children. I will show you later on how to use these. So what we're going to do, we're going to have one jar with no wings and the other jar wings. And now I'm going to show you how to draw the jars with small leaves. Okay, so I'm going to do it nice and slow, step by step, and of course you can get mummies and daddies to help you. So what I'm going to do is get my black marker, and you can use a pencil to do this or a marker. And now I'm going to show you how to draw my jar. So firstly, you're going to do a nice long oval. And now this could be any size, big or small. You can even do it any color if you want. It doesn't really need to be this color. You could choose your own colors. Okay, just like this. Use my blue marker, color in the lines like this. I'm going to color the top bit, and for this I'm going to choose color yellow. Now I'm going to write on this one, wings. Okay, so we need 6 leaves. I'm going to start by drawing them out. So let's count how many we have here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 of them. Okay, so now what we are going to do, we are going to color our leaves in green. And boys and girls, this is very good for your hand muscles. It will make your hand very strong, okay? And don't forget to color in the lines, just the way I'm doing right now. To draw your little lines on the leaves, just like this one. Next important thing is, what I want to show you is a special tool, is my scissors. And remember, boys and girls, do not have these towards you, always outwards like this. And you can buy these from supermarkets or any stationery shop. We need to cut out our jar and our leaves. So let's start off with our jar. And all we're going to do is follow the black lines. And again, you can get mummies and daddies to help you to do this. So I have a little song for my scissors. Open, shut them. Open, shut them. This is the way you cut, cut, cut. And you see the way I'm following the black lines? I'm going to use is my magic glue. Okay? We are going to put the glue onto our leaves. So I've got 3 on the wings, and there'll be another one, no wings, and 3 leaves will be on that one. So we've got our no wings and wings, all nicely made. Now here I have lots of different kind of insects, okay? What we need to see is whether the insect got wings or no wings, and we are going to put it in the right category. And by doing this, we need our magnifying glass to see up close and to find our answers. What I have here. What's this? It's a bee. A big bee. Now I'm going to use my magnifying glass to see whether it has wings or not. Do you want to come and do it with me? Come this way. Now look right through. Yes, it has wings. See? It could fly. Okay, so now you guys are going to tell me where it goes. Does it go on the wings section or does it go under no wings? Good job, you got it right. It goes under wings. So I'm going to place this right here. Okay? So what else do I have? I have a big ant. Okay? Does this ant have wings? Let's find out. Looking through my magnifying glass. It has 6 big long legs, but I can't see any wings. So, will it go in the no wings jar or on the wings jar? Well done. It will go in the no wings jar. Okay, what else do I have? I have a ladybug, a red ladybug with black dots. Now, I'm going to use my magnifying glass to see whether it has wings. Come on, let's do this together. Yes, I can see wings. So which one is it going to go to? No wings or wings? I think... No, you tell me. Wings? Good job. Okay. What else do I have? A dragonfly. This is a dragonfly. See, it has very pretty colors. Blue, green. Going to use my magnifying glass to see if it has any wings. Wow, this one has 4 wings. Beautiful. Okay, so where does this go? No wings or wings? I think it goes under the wings jar. Good job. Okay, so last one. I have a little spider. Do you remember the Incy Wincy Spider song? Incy Wincy Spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sunshine and dried up all the rain. So the Incy Wincy Spider went up the spout again. Okay, so I wonder if this one has wings. Let's find out. It has 8 legs anyway. And I don't see any wings. So where will this one go? Wings or no wings? Well done. It will go in the no wings jar. We had so much fun doing this activity. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel, and please share me your activity videos. I can't wait to see them. See you soon. Bye.